Yes, we have a delegation of local politicians of Belgium, and we came to Rojava to express our solidarity with the autonomous region of Rojava, the society model, the pluralist democratic model of Rojava, because we know the project is under pressure, and so that's the reason why we are here. For me personally, it's the first time that I visit this region. For many of the colleagues, it's also the case, and we want to do two things. At the one hand, we want to have as many contacts as possible, so to meet people, to see how the things are going here in Rojava, and on the other hand, we want to visit concrete projects like this water project in Hasake, for example, because we don't want to talk only, we also want to see on the field how things are going, but also which problems and challenges you are facing. That's really the purpose of our visit. In fact, we see, and we see it also here, that the project of Rojava and the region, the northeast Syrian region, is very isolated at the moment. We saw even the wall that the Turkish state built at the frontier, and so if we are here, it is not to build walls, but to build bridges between Rojava and Europe, between Rojava and Belgium, between Rojava and our cities, and to see in which way we can create collaboration, for example, with cities in Rojava and cities in Belgium, or with Belgian organizations and organizations in Rojava. And that's what we are going to do when we are back in our country. So promises, at least we have the engagement, the absolute will to broaden the solidarity with Rojava in Europe. We all followed the news in the region in the recent years. We saw the enormous fight against ISIS. We saw recently the earthquakes, and we know that all the events that happened here created also big streams of migration, and so we want to witness how life is in such a camp and what is the perspective for people there, and maybe also is there something NGOs in Europe can do to help to better the life conditions for these people. Well, we are here for several days at the moment, and we are very much impressed by what we are seeing. It's fantastic to meet wonderful people here, also very resilient people, because there are many difficulties, and we see people that are fighting back, that wants to create a future for their region, also very warm and nice people, so that's the good thing of it, so the good part of it. On the other hand, we see the isolation and the huge challenges and problems that you are facing, and so yeah, that makes that the need for solidarity is quite big, and that's what we want to do, create more solidarity when we are back in Europe.
هناك